Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Danske Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any browser, as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge, and bring up the search bar and type in Danske Bank login and hit search. Make sure it takes you to the official link. Scroll down a bit over here, danskebank.com. Just click on that link. Now we'll be taken to the official website of Danske Bank. Now at the top right of your screen you can see the login button. Just click on login button to log in. Now guys, you just need to click on the personal e-banking. For now I am choosing the Denmark. Again you will be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of Danske Bank. Over here you just need to enter the user ID. If you want to hide the ID, just click on hide button. And once you click on continue button, you will be taken to the new interface. Similarly, there you just need to enter the password. Then once you click on login button, you'll be easily access your account. In case if you lost your user ID, just click on lost user ID to recover your user ID. Just click on remember me at Danske Bank account for further use, but I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. If you need any help, just click on help button to get help. This was for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.